Hi, I'm Brad. I'm an airline pilot from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I live here with my father Tim, my mother Betty, and my wonderful girlfriend Jess. Yeah, we can't forget Gino. And this is the story of my day. Well, good morning. But good afternoon. It's actually afternoon. It's the 10th of April 2017, and the NHL regular season is officially over. These are like the worst 2 days because today and tomorrow are the days without hockey before playoff hockey. So it's like a tease. But anyways, it's gonna be almost 80 here today, setting almost a record high. So maybe we'll do something outside later on. For now, we're out going to cash in the lottery tickets. Let's see what the lottery has brought us. Okay, so lots. We did a fast play, instant. So lots of 50s, 3 winning symbols in a row to lose. At least you had to actually look at it.
Yeah, that one you had to figure out. At least you had to think about it. Gus.
That was bad. Or as you might say, horrible. Just horrible.
Horrible. Just horrible.
Kind of empty because we think it's at lunch.
Lunchtime.
So, Goodwill outlet. See what we can find.
Lunchtime. Slap those shoes on.
Alright, some more good finds at the Goodwill. Home Depot. This is our real mission here today. Research a smoker. But they've got some interesting ones here. Grill smoker combos. Something to think about. We were in the wrong spot. Now we're at the smokers.
Smoker.
79, 49, charcoal.
59. I mean, you don't need to smoke 59.
No, I agree.
Well, now we got to learn how to smoke.
Right, I agree. My first smoker. All right, we got a smoker. We ended up going with the charcoal model because it's cheaper.
Yeah.
And I think from what we can determine, it's easier to control. So stay tuned for future episodes where we get to smoke it.
We don't need to smoke for an entire restaurant. We just need to smoke for our family.
Exactly. Home now. Way too nice out to be inside. And with the playoffs starting in 2 days, Where else would I be? Whew, final of that game there was about 6-0 because it's not worth winning if you can't win big.
Against this team, we should have twice this many. Now let's run it up. Remember, it's not worth winning if you can't win big!
Just stepped on a bone. It's 10:45 at night. Haven't picked up the camera all afternoon, but we didn't do much. We chilled. It was beautiful out after we shot hockey. Came in, ate dinner, chilled, watched Buckos, got blown out. Now it's time for bed. Keep flying.